Welcome back. If you're tired of videos automatically playing every time you scroll through Facebook on your PC, you're not alone. Autoplay can be distracting, use extra data, and honestly, it just gets annoying after a while. The good news is that Facebook now gives you a simple way to turn it off, and in this video, I'll show exactly how to do it step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps several customization options that control how content appears on your screen. After that, click on Accessibility Settings. This section allows you to manage how motion and animations behave while you're using Facebook. Now, look for the option called Video and Motion. Click on it to open the video settings. Here's the important part. You'll see the autoplay option. By default, it's usually turned on, which is why videos start playing automatically as you scroll. Simply switch this setting off to disable autoplay. And that's it. From now on, videos on Facebook will only play when you choose to click on them, giving you more control over your browsing experience. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you want fewer distractions or you're trying to save bandwidth. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay in control of your apps and settings.